Best 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 2 Resin 3D Printer. High-precision 4K monochrome LCD with upgraded light turbo matrix and enlarged build volume. Experience the next level of 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono 2, a resin 3D printer designed for precision, speed, and versatility. Engineered with an advanced 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD, this printer delivers ultra-sharp details, smooth surfaces, and remarkably high-quality prints with every project. The upgraded light turbo matrix technology ensures consistent light distribution, significantly improving curing efficiency and producing precise, detailed models with minimal layer lines. With an enlarged print volume of 6.49 inches by 5.62 inches by 3.5 inches, the Photon Mono 2 allows you to create larger models or multiple smaller prints in a single session, saving time and effort. Its robust aluminum frame provides stability and durability, reducing vibrations for cleaner, more accurate results. The printer's intuitive interface and fast printing speeds make it suitable for hobbyists, designers, and professionals seeking reliable and repeatable results. The Photon Mono 2 supports a wide range of resin types, enabling you to craft anything from intricate miniatures to functional prototypes. Its compact 11.81-inch by 11.81-inch by 20.88-inch footprint and lightweight 5 kg design make it convenient for desktop setups without sacrificing performance. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of resin printing or an experienced maker seeking higher efficiency, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 delivers precision, speed, and a larger creative canvas for your 3D printing projects. Elevate your printing experience with unmatched clarity and reliability. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer, Direct Dual Gear Extruder, Fully Metal, CR Touch Auto Leveling and Silent Motherboard. Unlock your 3D printing potential with the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a next-generation 3D printer designed for precision, reliability, and ease of use. Equipped with a direct dual-gear extruder, this printer provides superior filament control, ensuring smooth, consistent extrusion for detailed prints and minimal stringing. Its fully metal construction guarantees long-lasting durability and stable performance for all your creative projects. The Ender 3v3 Plus features the CR Touch automatic leveling system, making bed leveling effortless and accurate. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and enjoy consistent first-layer adhesion every time. Coupled with a silent motherboard, this printer operates quietly, allowing you to print complex models without disturbing your workspace. With a compact 10-inch by 10-inch by 10-inch footprint and a manageable 11.5 kg weight, the Ender 3v3 Plus is perfect for both desktop setups and small workshops. It's compatible with personal computers, making slicing, monitoring, and managing prints simple and intuitive. Whether you are a hobbyist, maker, or professional designer, this printer delivers exceptional performance, high-quality output, and versatility across a wide range of filaments. The Creality Ender 3v3 Plus is engineered for reliability, precision, and ease of use, making it the perfect tool to bring your 3D printing ideas to life. From intricate miniatures to functional prototypes, experience fast, quiet, and accurate printing with every project. Elevate your creative workflow with the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, where innovation meets performance. Number 3. Prusa MK4S. Original Prusa 4 Malawi and Quachas 3D Printer Kit, beginner-friendly DIY assembly, automatic calibration, removable print sheets, and filament sample included. Step into the world of 3D printing with the original Prusa MK4S, a versatile and beginner-friendly 3D printer kit designed for both hobbyists and aspiring makers. This DIY kit is fun to assemble, providing an educational and rewarding experience while building a high-quality 3D printer from scratch. Constructed with a combination of metal and durable plastic, the Prusa MK4S offers stability and precision for consistent, professional-grade prints. The printer features automatic calibration, simplifying setup and ensuring every print starts perfectly aligned. Its removable print sheets make part removal effortless and convenient, reducing downtime between prints. With a generous print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, the Prusa MK4S allows you to create larger models or multiple smaller items in a single session, expanding your creative possibilities. Lightweight and compact, measuring 19.6 inches by 15.7 inches by 21.6 inches and weighing just 10.2 kilograms, the Prusa MK4S fits comfortably on any desktop or workstation. The kit also includes a filament sample, enabling you to start printing right away and experiment with different designs and projects. Perfect for beginners, educators, and experienced makers alike, the original Prusa MK4S 3D printer kit combines ease of use, reliable performance, and high-quality output. Whether you're printing prototypes, miniatures, or functional objects, this 3D printer delivers precision, creativity, and satisfaction. Experience the joy of building and printing with one of the most trusted names in 3D printing. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer, multicolor printing, for color capability, AC Pro sealed storage, and ultra-fast 600 mm per second print speed. Unleash your creativity with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer, a versatile multicolor 3D printer designed for makers of all skill levels. This innovative printer allows for color printing, letting you produce vibrant, complex models with stunning detail in a single print. Its AC Pro sealed storage system keeps your filament dry and ready to use, ensuring consistent performance and minimizing printing errors caused by moisture. Built with a durable metal frame, the Kobra 3 Combo offers stability and precision for smooth, accurate prints every time. With an ultra-fast 600 mm per second print speed, you can create models quickly without sacrificing quality, making it ideal for hobbyists, educators, and professional designers alike. Its generous print volume of 9.8 inches by 9.8 inches by 10.2 inches provides ample space for larger projects or multiple smaller items in one session, expanding your creative possibilities. Designed for convenience, the Kobra 3 Combo is compatible with laptops and personal computers, enabling easy slicing, print monitoring, and remote management. Its compact footprint of 17.8 inches by 19.8 inches by 19 inches and lightweight 9.2 kilograms design make it easy to place on any desktop or workstation. Whether you're experimenting with multicolor designs, intricate models, or functional prototypes, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer delivers precision, speed, and reliability. Perfect for beginners and experienced makers, it combines advanced features with user-friendly design, making every print an enjoyable and professional quality experience. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer, high-speed 600 mm per second, one-click auto printing, quick detach 280 degrees Celsius nozzle and Core XY all-metal structure. Elevate your 3D printing experience with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro, a professional-grade 3D printer engineered for speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a one-click auto printing system, this printer makes starting your projects effortless, ideal for beginners and experienced makers alike. Its high-speed 600 mm per second printing capability dramatically reduces production time while maintaining detailed, high-quality results. The Adventurer 5M Pro is equipped with a quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, allowing for seamless filament changes and easy maintenance. Its Core XY all-metal structure ensures robust stability, accurate layer alignment, and reduced vibration, producing smooth, precise prints across a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLACF, and PTGCF. This versatility empowers you to tackle everything from intricate miniatures to functional prototypes. With a generous print volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, you can create larger models or multiple small items simultaneously. Its compact footprint of 15.75 inches by 14.96 inches by 17.83 inches and weight of 32.1 pounds make it suitable for both home and professional workspaces without compromising performance. Designed for convenience and reliability, the Adventurer 5M Pro combines multifunctional capabilities, advanced speed, and durable construction in one comprehensive 3D printer. Whether you're a hobbyist, designer, or educator, this printer delivers consistent, professional quality prints with every project, helping you bring your ideas to life with ease and precision.